I got like missing lights and shit. God damn it, DT. I'm back with 0 viewers. Look, I can't win. I shit you not, I can't win. I cannot win. This fucking state is like the worst. Hold on here. It's so absurd. It's so absurd. It's so absurd. It's like the most absurd thing in the entire world. Can you guys see me out there? I don't know if I'm live right now or not. Here, let's put that on. See, yeah, we're fucked. We gotta be live. Sweet. Hold on, I gotta post this again. I shit you not, dude. This like, I have never lived anywhere with worse internet ever. I don't know. I'm like beside myself here. I fucking swear to God, I'm fucking beside myself. This is like, I'm not exaggerating. I am not exaggerating, dude. I lose, like, it's not just me. It's the entire fucking state. You know, it's not like, oh, it's Detroit, it's a dump. No. This whole fucking state, this whole fucking state is a disaster in infrastructure. Disaster. And this is not a poor state. This is one of the most wealthy states in the union. I'm going to tell you something. You all think Michigan's a dump, right? It's like one of the top 5 or 6 wealthy states. We pay to the federal government taxation. We're one of the states that actually pays the state. Or they got the Fed. We're not a taker of Fed funds. So wherever you live out there, right? You're likely one of the poors. And if you're in one of those states, right, you're likely one of the fucking poors that I have to pay for. I fucking literally subsidize your ass likely. In this country, the size of our country, I'm actually one of the payers into the system. And I'm fucking livid right now. Fucking never ending. Like, cannot fucking win. Had just had 2 major power surges. Did you guys see when my lights switched off and on? Maybe I think I was still live streaming, and you could see my lights like flicker from warm to cold, like never fucking ending. Just like drive me batty. Right on. All right. Well, live stream back up. Live stream back up. All right. Can never fucking win. I got people in the chat going, oh yeah, he just shut the stream off because what did someone just fucking say in the stream? Someone in the stream was like, as the power went off, I saw someone commented and said something about he just shuts the streams off and blames it on the power company. Hold on, I'm going to look at the DT, and this is the other fucked up thing, is that the DT outage map used to be honest. It used to show you can like look up DTE outage map, and it used to show the actual outages, and now it doesn't. Now it shows like, it'll show like 10 or 100 houses, but it's not 100 houses or 10. I'm looking at it right now in the background. I'm looking at it right fucking now. And it's showing like, oh, it's 100 people or less. I'm like, that's a fucking lie. It is not 100 people or less. They ran a scam this year. They used to show the thousands of people that were out. Wait a minute here. Oh, yeah, that's right. Print those fucking calls. And I'm pissed, too, because I fucking missed buying more bottom. So now I'm even angrier. I didn't have a fucking buy go through. Oh. So fucking pissed. Yeah, dude. So a buy order I had and didn't go through. I just checked. I can't fucking win. I shit you not. Oh, you thought you were getting down here to your expected move? Oh, look at that. Even my thing reset down here. Do you see that? It doesn't say expected move down here anymore. That's gone. It didn't save it. Remember I had that written down there, expected move? That's gone. It just disappeared. Who was it? Who was in Twitch saying that I fucking turned off the fucking power? Who was it that said that? You're getting banned. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's happening again. Hold on. I'm not joking. So you can probably see the lights flickering. All right, I want to let you guys know something, okay? I'm going to make this really fucking fast with you, okay? Really fucking fast. I'm going to run through meta. I'm going to run through hood if I can. I got to do meta number 1 first. We're going to lose power here. So I'm going to do, we're going to lose power again, I guarantee it. My lights are flickering. I'm getting power surges right now. I have things to save my computers, but I got to be honest with you guys. I have, in my house, okay, I'm not fucking around here. I got like $15,000, maybe $20,000 in my whole house of high-end computing going on. I've got like servers and shit for my fucking, for like off-grid shit, and then I got fucking shit in here, and then my wife is a doctor, not a doctor, kind of a doctor, and she works remotely. My kids homeschool. Like, I got shit on everywhere. I got fucking entertainment rooms and all that other nonsense. So I don't want to risk blowing all that shit up either, even though everything's on a power, not a power strip, but a power breaker strip thing. Doesn't fucking matter. So I've already lost a couple refrigerators over the past couple of years. So we're going to go over this really fucking fast. And sorry for swearing a lot. I'm so pissed off right now. I'm going to go over this really fucking fast into the close here so you guys don't get caught with your dicks down. Okay? No dicks down for you. Here's the outlook for the next couple days, okay? I'm going to tell you guys something. You can say all you fucking want about the numbers coming out tomorrow and Friday. Jerome fucking Powell knows those numbers before they come out. That fucking guy was out there swinging his dick today. Any of you that have been around this market for a long time fucking know that if Jerome Powell came out there and was aggressive, angry, sweating, he gets panicky, any of that stuff, you would have fucking known it. That fucking guy was swinging his dick today. That fucking guy was saying, job well fucking done. Whether you like it or not, that's what he did. The price of fucking stock market, that fucking guy was taking a victory lap. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you think. God damn it, I'm going to lose my shit here. I'm going to lose my power. I'm going to make this really fucking fast, okay? I want you to know that into Friday, okay, you better be hoping for some bad fucking news, because this cup and handle is what everyone's going to be talking about. They're going to be looking for this into Friday, okay? They're going to put the pain trade on at least the sellers, minimum. If you're a fucking seller, you're getting the pain trade. Guaranteed. It did not go your way today. That's the way of the world. Man up and accept it. Here's the cup and handle. I hate these things. I hate them. But you know what happens if we go back up, right? They have a continuation phase. Whether that's Friday, Monday, Wednesday, I don't fucking care. I'm letting you know that does happen. There are going to be people and traders out there trying to trade that move right there, okay? So I want you to be aware of that into Friday. Right now, unless anything changes, price target from here, I don't care if it's Friday, Monday, Wednesday, price target 459.92. Okay, somewhere up in there, 459.92 at minimum. It's probably going to be some people out there saying higher. That's my take, okay, is that we're going up. You're watching the hourly trigger right now. Hold. That's not bearish. It's very bullish. So my take right now into Friday, or at least next week, 460. If I lose power, I don't know if it's coming back on, too. I got to tell you guys that. It's so fucked up. Maybe bears, I don't mind. I was bearish today. You guys, bears, you can't have, a good press release, a good presser. He's expecting good news the next 2 days. If you think your only hope is Meta crashing the stock market, I don't know what the fuck to say to you. I really don't. I don't know what to say to you. You're grasping right now. You're grasping, guys. They could possibly try to pin the market into Friday around here and not print anybody's shit until Monday or Friday. But dudes, I'm telling you, man, sentiment right now is probably pretty fucking high. So just a heads up on that into Friday. Now, Meta. We're going to look at Meta right now. We're going to get through Meta because it's 3:47. We don't have much time, do we? We don't have a whole fuckload of time, do we? I don't know what the expected move is. Pretty bullish into the close. Let's just bring it up over here. Yeah, dude, we're looking pretty fucking bullish. We're going to give you a 30-minute chart right here for Meta. And move this down right here. And I'm going to tell you a couple things, okay, to know. Just to highlight, this thing right here is not Velo. This white thing right here is not Velo. Whenever this thing comes down, Meta tends to move to the upside. Whenever it's in congruence, it's bullish, right? We got another one right here. It's starting to build up right here for a move to the upside on Meta. Now, oh no, I'm on SPY. Sorry, wrong one. Wrong fucking one. Hold on one second here. I want to show you Meta here. God damn it, I'm going to lose power, dude. I'm going to fucking, I can't, like, all this shit that I do, and I got power. Like, I feel I should just go to move to Mexico. It'll be cheaper living. I can have, like, Juan the houseboy, Juanita the house girl, and have, like, armed guards out in front, and I can probably take jets all over the world with the quality of power here. So, Meta. You got this big giant thing going on down here, right? Big giant thing going on down here. Just pulsing to rip higher on this close here, okay? Price target after the bell for Meta, if you get a bullish report, is going to be a target of 312.88. If you do a measured, oh, damn it. Hold on a second here. If you do a measured move on Meta, I don't know how, I haven't measured it yet. Trying this in the fly. Let's take a look at it back here. You've got another price target above on Meta. Right there. Do I think you get back to all-time highs? No, I fucking doubt it. I fucking doubt it. I'll give you this one right here, possibly. I'll give you that one, possibly. 328. Hold on a second here. So right there, I'm going to expect if you get a good report, unless it's like Winky says, Winky's like your target is probably 313.47. You've got two additional targets on the upside, 328, 11, and 343.71. The only thing that I will say to you is that regardless, look at that beautiful fucking thing right there. Look at that sexiness right there. Regardless of outcome, you are going to expect profit taking. So if you have a bullish outcome, we blast off. Anything like that, you're going to expect a pullback. I don't like something on Meta here, and this is the one thing I want to say to you. This is my one hesitation on Meta, is I don't like Velo coming down on the daily. You could take this as, yeah, we're buying the zero line or whatever, but I don't like it. So I don't like it, man. So if Meta does have a bad earnings, your target below is like 220 or something like that. So your downside target right here, 242. I said 220, I meant 242. I don't like it. Like, I don't like the setup. Even if it goes higher, I don't like the setup. I feel like it's going to be a sell the news kind of an event, even if it's positive. So if you're long Meta, I'm not looking for any continuation. I'm looking for take the money and get out of Meta. It's at that place where it's due. It's getting really, really long in the tooth here on Meta. Just a heads up on that. So targets above, you got 313.80, 322.11, 343.71, 376.11. That's Meta. Fuck your puts, fuck your calls. J-Pow has you by the balls, baby. That's what I'm saying about Michigan. It's such a disaster. It's like all, you know what it's all built around too? It's all built around, Michigan's like famous for we're going to give you a great retirement, we're going to give you a great pension, we're going to fucking take care of you forever, and we're going to raise the rates, and we're not going to actually fix the infrastructure. We're going to make sure that it breaks down so we have more jobs for people. So it creates more jobs. That's the point here. So the point here is that it's a product of creating jobs. It's intended to like keep people working on maintenance and upgrades and infrastructure rather than just burying the fucking power lines. Seriously, bury the fucking power lines. Never seen it ever. Well, not ever, but most of my experience has been living out west, where you don't see power outages, and these are places that make Michigan look like an island paradise. Like places that I've lived have been very rough, like 10,000 feet above sea level, 14,000 feet above sea level, like Santa Anita winds blowing through 80 miles an hour, 90 miles an hour shit. I've never ever seen it. It's funny too. Like I lived in New Mexico, right? One of the poorest states in the union. They have buried fucking power lines. Buried fucking power lines. So this is a product of jobs, I believe. We're going to look at one quick thing here. Hopefully I can stick around for the next 7 minutes so we can watch this together. See if we can see what the see if we can find out what the expected move is today. Meta only a 7.5% expected move. So where's the open today down here? Let's call that. Right there, there's 7.5% right there to the upside on Meta. And your downside move down, oh, wrong one. Your downside target down here, being conservative. Why am I not showing percent? Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Roughly right there on Meta. You can see your expected moves on it. So you've got the return to the scene of the crime on Meta, and then you've got the failure on the downside to hit the weekly trigger down here at 242. If it's a bad earnings, I would still expect this continuation into next week and still tag that 242. Maybe 248. I'll give you that. 250. How about that? 250. Downside expectation by next week on Meta. So we'll watch this one right here. We'll set these up for you. 313.98. $270 to the downside. This is the expected move on Meta right now. See if we can get a confirmation on that. I've got the news. Expected move to the downside right there. Hold on one second here. Daily trigger right there. Hang tight, I got a couple things I got to do here. Oh, I got that wrong right there. Your daily trigger is down on 292.56. Right there. And you got your, I said daily trigger, I meant hourly trigger. Right there. Green. Said it was sitting on its daily trigger, but it's actually sitting on its hourly trigger right there. Put book map back up so you can watch it. Right there. Perfect. We could do two side by side. Could you do like that? Let me mute this right here. And then we'll do SPY. Right there. There's SPY and Meta. Come on, SPY. Come on, baby. Keep on pumping. Keep on pumping, SPY. Don't die on me yet. Show me that Friday, baby. Show me that 260. Meta bouncing right now. Not hearing anything from a report. If anybody's got a report, I'm not seeing one right now. I've got some real wonkiness going on the stream right now. So, if you guys see anything out there? Who would have thought that the way to stabilize markets would have been millions of degens traders buying 0-8 options? What happened to you, Marcus?
At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Time, we get Meta's second quarter 2023 earnings, estimated EPS at $2.92, and estimated revenue at $31.06 billion.
No, I don't know, but I'm not looking at 0-8s right now. I'm loading up on Friday calls. Oh, hold on here. What did I do wrong there? Oopsie. I did something wrong. What did I just highlight? Okay, that's okay. Just waiting on oh, I got some real fucking wonkiness going on right now. Just waiting on what time did they say they would get their earnings release? I got 260s for Friday. Did I say 260? We have a squeeze going on right now. SPY squeezing after the bell right now, 4:02 in the afternoon. Is that what I said? Did I say 4:05? 460. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got fucking Facebook fucking bulls want to buy a dip. Let me know if you think that they'll take profit to the upside if we get a good report. Do you think you'll get continuation, or do you think of once it goes up there and hits? If it goes up there and hits any of those higher targets, they're not showing up on this chart over here. I'm going to have to switch to a different time frame to put them up to show them right now. Yeah, 460. 460 calls for Friday. I think you get that cup and handle. I think they squeeze out all these fucking sellers into Friday. I think they're going to wrap up the week. We're done. You get the squeeze. Your target sit to 460, and then you get a roll of some kind. Maybe we'll go back down there and actually hit that lower target down there for bears next week or something. Go back down there and see that expected move. I'm finding it hard to believe. Maybe you have a bad report.
Meta's second quarter 2023 earnings.
It's doubtful. It's like so. It happens, but it's rare. It's like let's say I make a wrong trade, right? And I'm way upside down. 1 out of 10 instances do we return and I could have gotten unfucked. 1 out of 10. The other 9 instances, I should have just cut my losses and gotten out. It happens. It's just rare. I think Meta's. I just talked about it a few minutes ago. It's not quite there, but it's close. Oh! Holy shit! I just made so much fucking money!
So seeing Meta's earnings coming through, EPS coming in at $2.98. That's a beat on estimates of $2.46. Revenue coming in at $32 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $31.06 billion.
I'm fucking out.
Second quarter Reality Labs operating losses at $3.74 billion. Reality Labs revenue at $276 million. That's a miss on estimates of $391.9 million. Family of Apps revenue, $31.72 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $30.55 billion. Facebook daily active users, 2.06 billion. That's a beat on estimates of 2.03 billion. Family of Apps operating income, $13.13 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $13.12 billion. Facebook monthly active users, 3.03 billion. That's a beat on estimates of 3 billion. Ad revenue coming in at $31.5 billion. That's a beat on estimates of $30.43 billion. So Meta sees third quarter revenue at $32 billion to $34.5 billion on estimates of $31.18 billion.
Up racks at like 20
and sees
cent
fiscal year
calls.
total expenses at $88 billion to $91 billion. Previously saw $86 billion to $90 billion.
Fuck yeah, baby. Woo-hoo. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God.
Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass.
Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass, motherfucker. Motherfucker, slap that ass. Slap that ass,
motherfucker. All right. Maybe we'll stick around for another 15 minutes for you. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Okay, so why don't we do Hood? What do you guys want me to do? Hood, what are the two big requests? Fucking A, man. Synthetically trading Facebook right now. No. Earlier, somebody said I didn't do Hood. Feel good right now. Captain Jim happy. Somebody said they wanted Hood done. Let's do it. Is that person still here? I'm not doing that shit twice. Dude, David! David! Dude, we just got printed so fucking hard, bro. Who said I didn't do Hood the other day? Someone said I didn't do Hood. God damn Hood. You guys are all on fire out there. Oh, look, Hood, man. Wait a minute, what's going on over here? That was a 1 minute chart. No, we don't want to do the 1 minute. Fucking A, baby. Fucking A. Sorry, I can't stop swearing. I'm so fucking happy right now. Meta just went back and retested its hourly trigger just now. A ghost print. Meta literally just ghost printed its fucking hourly trigger just now. It's not showing on this chart. They had a ghost print down here for liquidity. Not showing right now, but it went lower. So look at this. Look at this. This is a fucking scam right here. This is a fucking scam. So Meta had a ghost print. 298.65. It actually ghost printed right here. What a fucking bunch of scammers. They fucking bought this right here. It's not even showing up on Webull. I got it on another screener showing the ghost print. They fucking bought 296.85 right down there. Fucking A, man. They just tagged it a second time just now. This one's showing. But this red candle is not showing. What a fucking bunch of scammers. They just bought this right down here in this candle. This fucking candle right here. They bought that one way down here. Whoop, right there they bought it. God, I'm so fucking happy. What up, David AMS, my brother? I did the same thing, man. Dude, I was sitting in the actual portfolio, and my thing just went fucking boom. And I was like, bam, sell that shit. Ghost prints. This is the gremlins in the market, man. Fucking gremlins, dude. We'll talk about ghost prints. We'll talk about ghost prints. Some of them are normal. Some of them are normal because you don't have enough reporting in the data that you're paying for. Some of them are public. You're just not paying for all the data. Some of them though are dark pool, and some of them are sneaky little. I want to buy this before you buy it and always be in below you. Some of it's selling too. I don't know. I didn't check. All I did was take the money and run. That's all I've done at this point. I'm just fucking stoked. Fucking stoked. All right, so we're going to look at Hood. Everybody likes Hood, right? Everybody dude, that was fucking phenomenal. I feel like I had an orgasm or something. Like, I got to take a moment here. I'm fucking so chill. I can fucking chillax, dude. Got a giant fucking print. I'm fucking stoked. Fucking super stoked right here. So we're going to talk about Hood. We're going to look at it on a few time frames here. We're going to look at all of them here. Let's look at we'll look at all of them. Fuck it. We'll just look at we'll look at every time frame. We're going to look at Hood on multiple time frames. And the one thing about Hood that I've always liked, right? I've always liked...
So following the close of the US cash equity markets on this busy session today, just going to give you guys a quick market wrap of the session today. So bond yields dropped after Powell said that the Federal Reserve hasn't made a decision to hike at every other meeting, bolstering bets that the central bank will skip a rate increase in September. So the 2-year US yield fell 4 basis points to around 4.84%.
Turn this off because we have something to go over here with we have to do Hood seriously, okay? So Hood. I have some concerns here, okay? I like Hood because it's whether you like, I hate Robinhood as a company. I hate their platform. I hate everything about it. They have some good things coming for them, right? They opened up futures trading, Globex trading. That's a new rev source for them. They have the potential to be a great company. And if they were even ever to go down, their brand is worth a fuck ton of money. just because of who they are. Now, this is a longer time frame outlook. I don't like their daily rolling over here. And I don't like the peak on their weekly, okay? I don't like that. I don't like it declining here. I just don't like it. I always like to be buying stuff like right here, right? You know what I'm saying? See it down here, see it down here. So this doesn't give me a lot of faith in Hood. Now, they could get a nice squeeze on their ER. I'm not anti that. We're going to look at that in a second. But I want you to know that it's nothing for nothing for them to roll back down. Now, this reminds me of Spotify, right? If they have a good report, you could see that nice power move up, right? You're stoked, and even then see profit taking down here to their weekly. So they're like on that. So I guess my point here would be on their earnings, you could do something where it's like a $16 or $17 and a $10. They're very much like Snap, okay? And Spotify is a good example of this. Does it mean that I'm not bullish on Robinhood over time? No, I am. I am bullish on Robinhood over time. But I like to see that check back. I want you to know out there that the most bullish trade for Robinhood is when it comes back down here at minimum and just checks like $11, right? You want to see that. You always want to see this stuff like hold for continuation to the upside. You never want to have like that initial squeeze that happens. It's great. It's always more fucking bullish when you get that initial squeeze. It comes back down and it holds. So just keep your eyes on 1159 and 1024. Okay, that's number one. Then we're gonna look on a 30-minute chart for Hood. Okay, we're gonna do Hood from the 30-minute chart. What is the outlook like right now on Hood? And we're going to go to this 30-minute chart. We're going to take a look, and it's looking pretty good. On a short-term basis, I'm going to tell you this. The daily is still strong, okay? So it's bullish. In general, it's bullish right now. It looks great right now. It looks fucking outstanding. On its down here, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Want to see all this for a swing trade on Hood. So on a 30-minute basis, it looks like rock and roll. Let's go get some, right? Let's go up there and tag that 1320, right? Let's go tag that one. Let's go up there and tag some more highs, right? Go up there and tag these guys up here that are in the pain trade. Let's go tag these guys up here at 15. Let's go take these guys out up here at 18. So just on a 30-minute trade, everything looks good to go. Like everything looks great. I got nothing negative to say about the upside moves for Hood, but I do warn you. And I would also make this statement too. If Hood does have a bad ER or something and it comes back down, and I would not panic sell either of these levels. I would just keep holding. Instead of panic selling, I would expect it to still come back up again. So I'm not in any kind of like, yeah, I'm bearish. Hood's going down to like $2. None of that stuff. Just another place to buy the dip at 10 or 12 bucks on Hood. Okay. On a 1-minute chart for Hood, we're gonna look at that one. So on a 1-minute we're gonna look at Hood here. Hold on a second here. On a 1-minute on Hood, you're gonna be looking. I don't know why that's doing what it's doing. On the 1-minute on Hood, the hourly looks great down here, right? It's looking for continuation. The 5 minutes a little overbought. The 1-minute is not. So, if you're looking for entry in Hood, I would be looking for a dip buy down below here at 1263 and continuation to the upside up there. As long as 1261 holds, I'm bullish. 1261, look for continuation to those upside targets right now, okay? So if you can buy that right there, you're going to be looking to get up here and close all this bullshit up out here at 1320. Here's Hood right here. Just right there. Any kind of pullback down here. Your next target above is 1314, then 1370. Valhalla to 1550 on any kind of a breakthrough up here. Big squeeze above 1370 on Hood. Okay, so I did Hood. Hood is done. Right? Hood is done. There goes fucking SPY wanting to blast off. So stoked right now. There goes Meta being rebought. You got my take on what to expect into Friday. That has not changed. If you want, I will show it. I'll just draw it out for you guys. Ready? I'll draw it out for you. You know there's sellers up here, right? You know there's sellers up here in SPY. They're weak sellers. So I'm going to show you here is a 5-minute chart for Friday. I'm getting more thunderstorms right now. I can fucking hear them outside. Price target. To the upside. SPOOs, 459.92. You've got these sellers here that don't want to see the squeeze. They're weak sellers. These sellers are no longer red. They were red before. They're now yellow. They're weak. They're weak into Friday. I think that Jay Powell's expecting good news. I also want to show you this. Buyers completely in control right now. Completely. Buyers completely in control. Giant fucking buyers right there. So that's my expectation right there, is that you're going to see the cup, the handle, and that push up into Friday. Maybe we'll get a nice fat 0 to 8 Friday coming up for tech. So there it is right there. Maybe you think otherwise. Maybe you think they're going to pin it for the rest of earnings. We got a bunch of Dow Jones Industrial Average stuff coming out between now and Friday. Big tech stuff is over. So maybe S&P, due to who's actually reporting on Thursday, Friday, could be positive for S&P, maybe not tech. There's a bunch of S&P companies inside of that still have big earnings coming up into Friday. So that's my expectation into Friday, is that we trade up there. 459.68 into Friday. Buyers are here. I'll see all of you guys tomorrow. David, you take it easy, my brother. Buyers are in control right now. And you know what? You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think we have a ton of big tech reporting, but S&P 500, I think, has a ton tomorrow and Friday. Don't quote me on this stuff. I'm working without stuff in front of me. I'm going up based upon my brain here, trying to recall this stuff. There might be a nice little trade coming up for Friday's 0 dates. For the tickers that don't have 0 dates, you know, your favorite ticker that doesn't have a 0 date, you might get a good one on Friday. David, you take it easy, my man. Thank you, Stacy. Have a great day. I love you. And I love anyone that came here. If you guys showed up today, I appreciate you showing up to the stream. Appreciate your patience heading into this close. If you're looking for a dip buy on SPY, right? Or ES, David, if you're out there right now. If you're looking for a dip buy on ES, I'm going to give you all of them right now, okay? If you're looking for a dip buy on ES. I'm going to give you dip buys right now. If any of you guys are looking to buy anything, dip buy. I'm going to give you the bull bear, okay? So I'm going to give you a number, and above it, is where you buy the dip. Below it is where you sell it. 454.98 on SPY. 454.98 on ES. 4591.25. 4591.25. If you're looking for a continuation of the upside. Note, as long as we're above the 27 EMA, and we're fucking running, so you might not get that dip buy. I want you to also note that the hourly trigger is turning up right now on ES and SPY. SPX, if you're an SPX trader, you're currently looking for a dip buy down on 45, 57, 75, although price is trading above that right now, so you'd be lucky if you can grab 45, 66.74. So good luck out there. I'm bullish here, man. You better get some bad stuff going on because this is looking like a move higher into Friday. Oh, Tesla. I got you. Let's do Tesla right now. So we got to talk about Tesla. The other day we were talking and I said, hey, this is your local bottom right here, right? We got that local bottom on Tesla. So let's talk about Tesla. Let's talk Tesla. I'm going to show you what I don't like here. Dude, I got these charts are all fucked up right now. I'm making a bunch of changes right here. And I want to talk to you guys about something, okay? Dude, I got to hold on 1 second here. I want to talk to you guys about something here, okay? This is an important fucking lesson. It's not that I'm not bullish on Tesla. It's that Tesla's like a hang tight here, guys. This is all fucked up now. Okay, so Tesla. It's not that I'm not bullish on Tesla here. One of the most fascinating things about Tesla is it has great. So I want you guys to understand this, okay? Tesla loves events. I'm bullish on Tesla, but Tesla loves events. Tesla loves fucking trading its daily velocity. Just fucking loves it. Loves it. All the news is basically out for Tesla. I know you don't think so, but it really is. There's a lot of anticipation heading up into their earnings, right? And Velo's not underneath here on the daily. It fucking runs on negative Velo. It just fucking loves it. Fucking loves it. So just like right here, right? You're like, yeah, it's going up, and then it fucking has that one more capitulation down there. It happens all the fucking time on Tesla. Now, I'm bullish on Tesla here. Do you see, like, prices above the monthly? It's got the weekly coming up to meet it, right? We bounced on daily. It held, right? Remember this trade down here? Went back up, came back down, went back up. Explosive move to the upside. You've got the weekly racing up down here. Wham, 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 wham. You know, it's not that it can't go up here right now, but I still eventually see it coming back down, even if it squeezes. I do expect it to roll down here. I do. So either it rolls down here and fails, and you get the second leg down, or even if it fails here, I still expect the recheck to the downside. I do. You're going to get caught in there, in my view. Now, if Tesla doesn't do that, or if Tesla holds 263.37 and starts to trade above its hourly trigger, yeah, there's a trade to the upside to close this gap here. There's another trade up here to close the rest of the crime above. There is. There's a trade here to go up here. There's a trade to go up there. But if you're a real Tesla bull like me, I'm going to tell you that I want to buy fucking lower. I want to buy down here. So it's not, I want to go buy the bottom, buy a bottom, buy any fucking bottom, daily bottom, weekly bottom, whatever I can buy. I still think it's bullish. Trend is still intact for Tesla. You can see zigzags are telling you the move is down. You see it? Zigzags telling you that it's down too. So I don't think I'm in the wrong here, hoping for a move down to 226 or so for Tesla. If you're like day trading Tesla, as long as you stay above 262, you have the ability to go up and trade 290. I wouldn't get married to it. So if you get above the all-time high, we'll talk about new highs. I think you're gonna get. I think I have a target above that's not showing on this chart right here, but I got a target above of 4 something, and then a higher target 450. I'll have to look. I got it on another chart somewhere. I'm ultimately bullish on Tesla, but I don't mind this. I don't mind this like recheck down here, come back down here. Maybe you tag 225, 230, at least something like that. You know, that's shitty to say, isn't it? So that's what I've got for you for Tesla. What's your stop sending me $2. Just fucking pay the $5 in the chat and ask me some questions about Tesla. I gotta say that, man. The reason I'm saying that is because they're like guaranteed trades. So just be patient. If you're a Tesla trader, be fucking patient right now. All right. I think that's enough for me for Tesla. I think you guys had enough for me today. Hopefully you guys made money today. I love you too, Deckhand Dougie. Please like and subscribe these videos. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please support the show if you can. Do me a solid, man. Support this show. Support what we're doing. If you guys don't support this stuff, we're going to start charging for it. Well, I'm not going to say this, but I mean, I am like this close to just making it all private, like everything. Just trading with like 5 friends. It's like that close right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see you guys on Friday. We have some economic news coming out at 9:30. I will be here on time tomorrow. I've been up until fucking 3 in the morning doing a bunch of work. So tonight I'm going to try to get to fucking bed and get some sleep. You can probably tell that I haven't slept, right? You can probably tell that I've been like, I've been like, no sleep, no seeing the wife, no seeing the kids. No fucking drinking. Haven't fucking drank in like fucking 2 weeks. Like, no whiskey. I had some beers, but no drinking. Like 1-2 beers. That's it. So I'll see all of you guys tomorrow. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. We're doing a lot of hard work in the background to get us where we need to be. If this shit ain't right, we're not going to make it public for you. So this stuff has to be right. If it's not right, we're not going to publish it. So until it's right, until you can figure it out, it's not going public. So I'll see all of you guys tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning.